To my channel, and now I am need download driver Epson. This here the serial. You type the driver download. Okay, this here the I am search the official website. This one. This here the official website. Click here. This one landing page loading. Mm, this automatic detect the for the drive for the Windows. Uh, This here the Windows 11. I need to download this Windows driver apps on Windows 11. This here the Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows Server, the SP. And this here the driver Windows 11 Mac 12 and Mac 11, driver Epson Mac 12, driver Epson Mac 12, Mac 11, and this here the driver Epson for Linux. Uh, Here type the system operation. I am need to download driver apps on Windows 11. New Windows, click here. Click button go. That's right, loading. And this here the fix recommended. Fix recommended for you. This here the driver and utility combo package driver, and this here the package slide. This here the print driver, scanner driver, and Epson scanner, and Epson Easy Photo, Epson Photo Scan, and Epson Easy Photo Print, Epson Event Manager, Epson Pack Utility, and Epson Scan ECR component, and Epson software update. This here the software update driver for the before the Windows before the driver Windows 8, after uh, driver Windows 11. This is the automatic update for your recommended your laptop. You connect the Wi-Fi. This is the automatic update. This is the driver print only. Driver print only. This here the maybe the print package for the printer, for the printer and print Wi-Fi. And this here the combo package, combo package. This here the scan driver and utility and remote print driver remote. And this here the wireless scan, wireless print, and this here wireless print, not scan. Your print must be connected to the internet via, via a wireless and Wi-Fi, the Ethernet network. Register the Epson Connect service for your setup information. Please see your Epson Connect printer setup for Windows Pick. And this here support the system operation for the Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 7, Windows Vista. This here the note. This field applies to number Epson product, maybe and be component with operating system. This here the utility the Epson software update, Epson Smart Print, Epson Fetch utility. This here the Epson Connect Print setup and connect for Wi-Fi. Okay, remote for cloud, and I'm not testing this here the printer for Epson print email, and this here the Epson Event Manager. This here Epson scan component, And this is the firmware. This is the recovery mode firmware and recovery mode forward. This is the version. Uh, this video I only download driver package Windows 11 Epson driver Windows 11 package. Click this here. This here the loading driver. If you need install printer, if you need install printer for the laptop or PC, and you turn on the power printer, you put USB printer for your laptop on PC. Your laptop on PC detect the USB printer and please wire the driver finish download and click run administration. Run administration for the driver the automatic to connect the printer uh, for the printer and now you USB connect the printer the laptop or PC printer USB printer connect the laptop or PC and laptop or PC you're running the driver automatic tag the driver. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download, comment below description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my videos. Support my channel. Bye bye.